You have to feel it, and it's going to take some certain amount of time. That's true with both regular grief and ambiguous grief. The best way to do that is to use a strategy that I call organic grieving. What organic grieving is it basically means you take the grief in whatever form it comes to you at any given moment, within reason. So what you're going to notice when you're going through any type of grieving process is that the intensity or the acuity of the grief sort of comes and goes or ebbs and flows, kind of like the tide in the ocean. In other words, there's going to be periods of time when it just crushes you, when it just hits you so hard, you can barely breathe and you can't even think about anything else. And that can last weeks or days or hours. It's kind of unpredictable. It's not linear. And then there will be times when it fades, probably not all the way, but when this thing that you could not stop thinking about, 2-3 days ago, goes into the background for a little bit. Both of those extremes are part of a healthy grieving process. Neither one is bad. Grieving is exhausting, and your mind and your body will need to take breaks from the grief. Those periods of time where it fades to the back a little bit, those are breaks, and you need them. So please let yourself have them. Please don't chase the grief. Remember that you cannot rush this process. And as long as you're allowing the grief to come forward when you're experiencing it naturally, you're going as quickly as you can.